today we are taking a look at these brand new Bakeey JF-T5 TWS Earbuds. Now these particular earphones today are indeed Bluetooth 5.0. They have a specified battery life of 4 to 5 hours at the price of only £17. That's around 23 in US dollars. Now yes, the box is quite minimalistic, and the box does indeed have the same type of look as the AirPod Pros. Inside the box, well, to the top we've got the earphone case, which we're going to place to the side just for now. But what also comes with this package is quite a simple Type C, that's good, a Type C charge cable. So we've got fast charging, got is it English? Oh yes, it is. So we've got an English simple user manual. Back to the earphones. Okay, so we do actually get quite an original looking case. So yes, we got a soft white in colour charge case, mainly made out of hard ABS plastic, with nice orange detail around the lip of the lid. Now to the rear, we do have that Type C charge port, a charge indication light to the left. And we've got this handy little chrome handle, which I think you can attach to a keyring or a lanyard cable should you wish. So we do get a magnetic click to close lid, opening up right away. I've got to say guys, in comparison to the image that we've seen on the Banggood website, you know what, I'm not overwhelmed to be honest. So instead of the nice metallic looking gold internal design, we actually get matte ABS plastic. Does look rather different than that advertised image. I don't know, it kind of looks a bit toyish to me and a lot cheaper than the image that was depicted. But we do however get that digital display, which again, look, it's absolutely nothing like the image that was shown. So we get a kind of foggy orange LED indication of the charge case percentage. Okay, so we don't get the left and right indications, no? Let's have a look. Oh, we do, but it doesn't show any type of battery level for the earphones themselves. So yes, the percentage is simply for the charge case battery, which is a 400 mAh battery. To charge this case, it would take around 1.5 hours for a full charge, and to charge the earphones, it would take around 1.4 hours for a full charge from flat, being able to charge these earphones from the charge case 3 times while on the go. Let's take the earphones out and they will automatically go into pairing mode. Connectivity is swift. Simply turn Bluetooth on in your device, search, then select JF-T5 from available devices. You should get a Bluetooth pairing request on screen, press OK, and there you go, all hooked up. And you should also have a battery level indication for the earphones up on your smartphone. Let's bring the charge case back into the picture, and to the bottom you can see those dual charge pins. Now the earphone sockets themselves are embedded, and we do get an embedded lid too. The earphones will begin to charge once they're placed right in, and they are done magnetically. Taking a closer look at the earphones themselves, as you can see, well, both earphones come in a nice matte white colour with nice gloss edge detail. We do get microphones on each earphone with a very unique boomerang shape to them. And we do get LED charge indication lights, which are built into the plastic. So if we turn down the lights, you will see on the right earphone that we've got that blue LED light, which unfortunately is consistent even when playing music. So when you're walking around at night, expect that light to fully shine, and unfortunately there's no way of turning that off. Now to the rear, we've got the labelled left and right earphone indications, as well as the dual charge pins and dual audio cavities. Now I have been using these earphones for the past 3 days, and right from the off I've got to say comfortability and fitment, well, they fit right within the ears. Nice and comfortable, woo, and don't fall out. But when it comes to the touch controls, yeah, they're nice and responsive, and I've got to say, they're better than the previous S15s. Yeah, these ones. So we previously reviewed these up on our channel, and what we found, because they have got a similar shape, a boomerang shape to them, that the touch controls were very sensitive, and that pause would basically trigger when the bottom of the earphone would touch the bottom of your earlobe. So yes, very sensitive, and those earphones had loads of problems with the touch controls. Now these ones, the T5s, like I said, quite comfortable. Touch controls all work, so you get 2 presses to pause and play, 3 presses to either left or right for the previous or next track selection. But unfortunately, no, you don't get any volume control with these particular earphones. That's a sad point, really. So like I mentioned, I've used these earphones over the 3 days, and when it comes to the audio, it still sounds the same to me. The mid levels are way too high. Low tones, again, high, weirdly enough, and the high tones are just too overpowering. The bass is mild, but the audio does get slightly much better when you press the earphones firmly into the ears. Bass gets a lot more deeper, highs become more clarified. It just shows you that these earphones ain't as well designed as I thought. Unfortunately, no, they don't fit deep within the ears. And my tip is to buy some silicone ear covers. If you're going to get these earphones, place them on, and once in your ears, they'll fit a bit more firmer, sealing in the sound from the outside world, and give you a better overall clarified sound. But as they are now, no audio, I've got to honestly straight away give them a 4 out of 10. Now for example, on the Samsung S9 Plus, we've been messing around with some of the settings, and it doesn't change the audio that much. We've set the personal preferences. The bass is a bit deeper, but one thing that I'd like to point out is on different devices, these earphones do sound different. For example, I pulled this.
What is that?
Samsung S7 Edge out of the old dusty drawers today, and decided to play a bit of music, turning it up at full volume. The bass is real punchy, the audio is slightly better in fact, but again, those mid-tones just too overpowering. Now, I've made a few voice calls while I've been working this week with these earphones. Voice clarity from the other side, I've been told, is very, very clear, almost HD quality, and there's no random disconnections. I did get around 10 meters before the Bluetooth signal cut off with the music. And for the music playback time, well, I did get 5 hours 20 minutes. Yes, I got past the 5 hours initially stated in the specifications. So 5 hours 20 minutes with 100% volume being used with these particular T5 earphones. Now when it comes to the comfort and fitment, simply gonna give these Bakeey JF-T5s a 7 out of 10. They could have fit in the ear a lot better, and they could have been designed more ergonomically. For the functionality, such as those touch buttons, they all worked perfectly fine, but again, they didn't have any volume control. So we're going to give it 8 out of 10 for the touch controls. Unfortunately today, I'm going to have to give these earphones overall a rating of an even Steven 5 out of 10. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful today, and if you could be so kind as to smash that like button down below. Please subscribe to this channel today, make sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now we will be doing some more tech reviews coming this very week, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace! Now, yep. So you guys stay updated on our and yes, they do stay in. What doesn't stay in is that helicopter that's coming above. Taking a closer look at the earphones themselves, as you can see, yeah, you can see the spin round and they just slip out my hands.